yeah, they even with free air, they are very stiff. Like, they sound like they have a hard time to really produce any kind of movement. And that's also maybe the reason why the bass is just not very deep. Like, it's very upper bass, something Sony does for years. I did notice that there is no like specification on the magnet how much power they have. But something funny is that you can see the lightning here, yeah, in the speaker housing. So you can clearly see there's like a LED in the middle on the motherboard, and that one is like yeah, giving out the lightning. But I have to be honest, it's pretty bright in there, but on the outside, yeah, there's almost no light, like a very small lid here. So the lightning, I have to be honest, is a little bit of disappointment. So let's see for another song. Something else I've noticed, the lights don't really sync well with the sound. Like, I don't get it why those lights are here, because it doesn't really go with the sound. Even on high volume or mid volume or low volume, they are kind of like slow or sometimes too fast with the beat. So the overall packaging, I have to be honest, it looks very great, but in practical use, I don't understand it. Like, it's not cheap. It's very expensive, the speaker. Sometimes even expensive than a JBL Boombox, for example, or the Xiaomi Bomber that I have here. That one was around 300 euros with tax included. This one is almost 400. And I have to be honest, those lights really don't make me feel like I will pay here 100 euros extra for. Like the Xiaomi Bomber, I will definitely do video comparison with that one. That one is definitely performing a lot better for its price than this one. Like even the tweeter, the housing is very big around it, but I don't really hear like extra like volume out of the tweeters. They do work, but especially when I have these mid-woofers out of the housing, normally you would hear the tweeters very well, but this one, even with like a custom equalizing, so now it's on mega bass equalizing, but yeah, I don't really understand it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely make more videos with it, but it will definitely not stay for very long. Like, yeah, I'm not impressed with it. See you guys in the next one.